Oh, so get this. Today, we're diving into a roadmap for the future. And not just any future.
Okay.
The future of AI.
Right.
You've sent us some fascinating material on where AI is headed, and I'm really excited to unpack it all with you.
Yeah, it certainly is a rapidly evolving field.
Yeah.
With so much to discuss.
Absolutely.
We'll explore what democratizing AI truly means,
Okay.
how it's transforming industries,
Yeah.
and even its role in addressing things like climate change.
Right. So this roadmap,
Yeah.
it's like a guide for all of us, regular folks like you, businesses, even governments, on navigating this AI-driven future.
Precisely. And what's intriguing is how deeply it impacts so many aspects of life.
Right.
We're not just talking about robots taking over.
Sure.
Although that's always fun to ponder.
Well, yeah, of course.
But it's about how AI will reshape learning, work, and even how we personalize our experiences.
Okay, so first step on the roadmap.
Okay.
Democratizing AI. Now, this sounds pretty lofty.
Sure.
What does it actually mean in a practical sense?
It's about making AI accessible to everyone, not just a select few with technical expertise.
Okay.
So imagine open source platforms like TensorFlow.
Okay.
Artists, small businesses, anyone, regardless of their coding skills, can build their own AI models.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
So I could potentially build an AI even if I'm like more comfortable with paintbrushes than programming languages.
Absolutely.
I'm picturing a future where AI like helps me analyze my art and suggests new creative directions.
You got it. And it's not just about building these complex models.
Right.
Think about tools like ChatGPT.
Okay.
Now, you've probably heard of this one.
Yeah, sure.
It's changing the game for writing, content creation, even translation. And the best part, it's incredibly user-friendly.
Okay, I'm starting to see the real-world impact here.
Yeah.
So instead of needing a team of developers, someone like me could use these tools to, say, analyze customer feedback on my artwork. Or even draft marketing materials. That's a game changer for like a one-person operation like mine.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
It's about empowering individuals and small businesses with the tools they need to leverage AI.
Okay, so we've gone from like this vague concept to tangible applications.
Right.
I'm already feeling more empowered.
Good.
Now let's shift gears to AI in education.
Okay.
This seems like a huge area ripe for disruption.
It really is.
Yeah.
AI and machine learning are becoming core components of education at all levels.
Okay.
So imagine a high school where AI personalizes learning for students with different needs.
Okay.
For instance, a student struggling with algebra might receive extra practice problems tailored to their specific areas of difficulty.
Right.
Well, another student excelling in history could dive into advanced research topics.
That's a far cry from the one-size-fits-all approach I experienced in school.
For sure.
But how are teachers adapting to this AI integration? Are they like worried about being replaced by robots?
It's understandable that teachers might have those concerns.
Yeah.
But AI is more about supplementing and enhancing their capabilities, not replacing them.
Okay.
Think of AI as a co-pilot.
Okay.
Providing teachers with real-time insights into student performance, suggesting personalized learning paths, and freeing up more time for personalized instruction and mentorship.
So AI is handling the like tedious tasks, allowing teachers to focus on the human element of education.
Exactly.
I like that.
Yeah.
But with AI becoming so ingrained in education, does this mean everyone needs to become like a coder? I can barely keep up with my social media, let alone like learn Python.
But don't worry. You don't need to become a coding wizard to thrive in an AI-powered world.
Okay, good.
The emphasis is shifting towards understanding how AI works, its applications, and its ethical implications. Even a basic understanding of these concepts can empower you to make informed decisions and leverage AI effectively.
That's a relief.
Yeah.
So learning the why and the how of AI, not just the technical nuts and bolts.
Exactly.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've covered democratizing AI and its impact on education.
Right.
Now, I'm curious about how it's being used in different industries.
Well, AI is already transforming industries across the board. Take healthcare, for example.
Yeah.
It's not just about diagnosing diseases earlier. It's about creating personalized treatment plans.
Right.
Based on a patient's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle.
Wow. So we're moving from like general diagnoses to highly individualized approaches.
Exactly.
I'm assuming AI is also playing a role in like drug development?
Absolutely. AI algorithms can analyze massive data sets to identify potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness.
Okay.
Significantly accelerating the drug discovery process.
So we're talking about like potentially developing life-saving treatments in a fraction of the time it used to take.
Right.
That's incredible.
It is.
Okay, what about finance? I'm always hearing about AI being used in Wall Street. But how does that translate to everyday banking for people like me?
Well, think about fraud detection.
Okay.
AI algorithms can analyze transaction patterns in real time to identify suspicious activity.
Okay.
Protecting your account from unauthorized access.
Right.
It's like having a virtual security guard constantly monitoring your finances.
That's reassuring.
Yeah.
Especially in today's world of online banking and digital transactions.
Absolutely.
Okay, last but not least, let's talk about retail.
Okay.
How is AI changing the way we shop? Because I'm guessing it's not just about personalized recommendations anymore.
Right. AI is going beyond recommending products you might like.
Okay.
It's being used to create seamless and personalized shopping experiences from start to finish.
Yep.
Imagine walking into a store where AI-powered systems recognize you,
Okay.
guide you to the items you need, and even offer personalized discounts based on your purchase history.
Wait, so no more wandering aimlessly through aisles trying to find that specific brand of organic almond butter?
Exactly.
AI knows my shopping quirks better than I do.
That's right.
That's a little scary, but okay.
And it's not just about convenience.
Okay.
This level of personalization can also help retailers optimize inventory, reduce waste, and ultimately offer more competitive prices.
So it's a win-win for both businesses and consumers.
Exactly.
Okay, so AI is like a personal shopper, inventory manager, and customer service rep, like all rolled into one.
Right.
It's a lot of hats to wear.
It is.
But I'm sensing there's a bigger picture here, like a common thread running through all these examples. What is it?
It's about AI moving beyond automation and becoming more integrated into every aspect of our lives.
Okay.
It's about creating systems that are not only intelligent, but also intuitive, adaptive, and ultimately human-centric.
I'm starting to see that.
Yeah.
So AI is not just about like efficiency and productivity. It's about enhancing our capabilities and creating more personalized and fulfilling experiences.
Precisely. And as we continue exploring this roadmap, we'll see how this human-centric approach to AI is shaping everything from the way we work to the way we interact with the world around us.
I'm ready for the next stop on this AI journey.
Great.
But first, I think we all need a moment to like process all this incredible information.
Sure.
We'll be right back with more, so don't go anywhere.
Sounds good.
All right, so we're back. And before the break, we were exploring how AI is transforming industries.
Yeah.
And I have to say, I'm both excited and a little overwhelmed, honestly, by the possibilities.
It's certainly a lot to take in.
Yeah.
But that's the beauty of it, right?
Right.
AI is such a dynamic field.
Yeah.
Constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Absolutely.
And speaking of pushing boundaries,
Yeah.
let's talk about how AI is being used to tackle one of humanity's greatest challenges.
Okay.
Climate change.
Yes. Using cutting-edge tech to protect our planet.
Right.
That's what I'm talking about.
Absolutely.
I'm eager to hear how AI is being applied in this area.
Well, one fascinating area is climate modeling.
Okay.
Traditional climate models can be complex and time-consuming to run.
Right.
But AI is changing the game by analyzing vast data sets of climate data.
Okay.
With incredible speed and accuracy.
So it's like helping us understand and predict climate patterns with greater precision.
Precisely.
Okay. So AI is giving us a clearer picture of our planet's future, which is crucial for making informed decisions about climate action.
Yeah.
But beyond prediction, what can AI do to actually mitigate the effects of climate change?
That's where it gets really interesting.
Oh.
AI is being used to optimize renewable energy systems, making them more efficient and cost-effective.
Okay, so, like, how?
Imagine AI algorithms fine-tuning solar panels to maximize energy capture, or predicting wind patterns to optimize the output of wind farms.
Okay, so we're talking about AI making renewable energy sources more reliable and accessible.
Exactly.
Which is a huge step towards a sustainable future.
Absolutely.
But what about our cities?
Sure.
They're like major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions, right? Can AI play a role in making them more eco-friendly?
Absolutely. Think about smart cities.
Okay.
Where AI manages traffic flow to reduce congestion, optimizes energy consumption in buildings, and even helps create more sustainable waste management systems.
So it's like having an AI city planner constantly working behind the scenes to make our urban environments more efficient and livable.
Exactly.
I'm picturing a city where, like, traffic jams are a distant memory and buildings are powered by renewable energy.
It's closer than you think.
Wow.
And these are just a few examples.
Okay.
AI is also being used to monitor deforestation, track endangered species, and even develop innovative solutions for cleaning up plastic pollution in our oceans.
It's amazing to see how AI is being applied to address such a wide range of environmental challenges.
It is.
It gives me hope that we can use technology to create a more sustainable future for generations to come.
I share your optimism. AI has immense potential to help us solve some of the most pressing environmental issues we face today.
Absolutely.
It's about harnessing the power of technology to create a more harmonious relationship between humanity and our planet.
Well said.
Thank you.
Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something that's impacting all of us on a personal level, AI-driven personalization. I have to admit, I'm both fascinated and a little creeped out, honestly, by the idea of algorithms knowing my preferences better than I do.
I understand your apprehension.
Yeah.
It's a double-edged sword for sure.
Yeah.
But when done responsibly,
right,
AI-driven personalization can enhance our lives in many ways.
Okay, I'm willing to hear the upside. Give me some examples of how AI personalization is being used in a positive way.
Think about healthcare.
Okay.
AI is being used to create personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history.
Okay.
This means more targeted therapies, fewer side effects, and ultimately better health outcomes.
So it's like having a doctor who knows you inside and out, tailoring treatment to your specific needs.
Exactly.
That's a game changer, especially for people with complex medical conditions.
It is.
And this personalized approach is extending beyond healthcare.
Yeah.
Think about education.
Okay.
AI-powered learning platforms can adapt to a student's individual learning style.
Right. Pace and interest.
Making education more engaging and effective.
Absolutely.
Okay, so no more struggling to keep up in a classroom full of students learning at different speeds.
Right.
Everyone gets a personalized learning experience.
Exactly.
Well, I had that in school.
I know, right?
And it's not just about learning new things.
Yeah.
AI personalization is also changing the way we consume entertainment. Think about streaming services that recommend movies and shows based on your viewing history and preferences.
Exactly.
No more scrolling endlessly through a catalog trying to find something to watch.
I know, it's a time saver.
That's my kind of personalization.
Yeah.
But with all this talk about AI knowing our preferences and habits so intimately, how do we ensure that our privacy is protected?
That's a crucial question.
Yeah.
And one that deserves careful consideration.
Okay.
Transparency and user control are paramount.
Okay.
Users should have the right to know what data is being collected, how it's being used, and the ability to opt out of personalized experiences if they choose.
So it's about empowering users to make informed decisions about their data and privacy.
Exactly.
In the age of AI.
Right.
That makes sense. Okay, so we've explored how AI is being used to personalize healthcare, education, and even entertainment. But what about the bigger picture?
Okay.
How is AI interacting with other emerging technologies?
That's where things get really exciting. AI is not developing in isolation.
Okay.
It's converging with other cutting-edge technologies like blockchain, the Internet of Things, IoT, and even quantum computing.
Right.
These convergences are creating entirely new possibilities and accelerating innovation at an unprecedented pace.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Give me some examples of how these tech mashups are playing out in the real world.
Well, let's start with AI in the Internet of Things, IoT.
Okay.
Imagine smart homes, where AI seamlessly connects and controls all your devices. Your thermostat, your refrigerator, your lighting system, even your security cameras.
So it's like having an AI butler who anticipates your needs and keeps your home running smoothly.
Exactly.
Sign me up. But what about the security implications of having all my devices connected and controlled by AI?
Security is paramount, of course.
Yeah.
Robust encryption, multi-factor authentication, and other security measures are essential to ensure that your data and devices are protected from unauthorized access.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've covered AI and IoT.
Right.
What about AI and blockchain?
Sure.
I know blockchain is all about like secure and transparent data management, but how does that tie into AI?
Think about supply chains, for example.
Okay.
AI can analyze data from sensors and tracking devices to optimize logistics and predict potential disruptions.
Right.
When combined with blockchain, this data becomes tamper-proof and transparent, creating a more secure and efficient supply chain from start to finish.
So, like, no more counterfeit goods or shady dealings slipping through the cracks.
Exactly.
That's a win for consumers and businesses alike.
It is.
Okay, now for the mind-bending part. AI and quantum computing.
Okay.
I have to admit, this one's a bit over my head.
Sure.
Can you break it down for us non-physicists?
I'll try my best. Quantum computers leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations that are impossible for traditional computers. This opens up incredible possibilities for AI, allowing us to tackle problems that were previously considered unsolvable.
Okay, so we're talking about, like, AI on steroids,
right?
Potentially leading to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, materials, science, and even our understanding of the universe itself.
Exactly. It's still early days, but the potential is mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Imagine using AI-powered quantum computers to develop new life-saving drugs, create revolutionary materials, or even simulate the origins of the universe.
Wow, that's heavy stuff.
It is.
It feels like we're on the verge of like a technological singularity where AI unlocks possibilities beyond our wildest imaginations.
It's certainly an exciting time to be alive.
Yeah.
But with all this talk about the future, it's important to remember that we're not just passive observers. We have a role to play in shaping this AI-powered future.
You're right. It's not just about marveling at the possibilities. It's about taking action.
Absolutely.
So let's get practical. What can individuals, businesses, and governments do to prepare for this AI-driven future?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
And it's the perfect segue into our next section. Let's break down some actionable steps you can take to build your own AI roadmap.
Right.
Regardless of your role or expertise.
Okay, I'm ready. All right. So we've gone through, kind of the vast landscape of AI, from democratization to its role in tackling climate change, and even its convergence with other, pretty mind-blowing technologies.
It is.
But let's bring it back down to earth for a moment. What can, like, individuals like me do to prepare for this AI-powered future?
Well, the first step is to cultivate a curious mindset. Embrace the idea that AI is not just for tech wizards, it's for everyone.
So ditch the intimidation factor.
Exactly.
Got it.
Yeah.
But what about, like, practical skills?
Sure.
Do I need to enroll in a coding boot camp tomorrow?
Coding is definitely valuable. But it's not the be-all and end-all. Start by exploring free online courses, and even YouTube videos that explain AI concepts in a clear and accessible way. There are tons of great resources out there that break down complex topics into bite-sized pieces.
So dipping my toes into the AI knowledge pool without getting overwhelmed.
Exactly.
I can handle that, but how do I go, like, beyond passive learning and actually start using AI in a meaningful way?
That's where experimentation comes in. Think about a problem you're interested in solving. Maybe something related to your hobbies or work, and explore how AI could potentially offer a solution.
So getting hands-on and, like, applying my newfound knowledge.
Exactly.
What if I'm not a coder?
Right.
Can I still experiment with AI?
Absolutely. There are many user-friendly AI platforms and tools designed for non-coders. These tools allow you to build simple AI models, experiment with different algorithms, and even create your own AI-powered applications without writing a single line of code.
That's reassuring. I'm picturing myself building an AI that, like, helps me identify different bird species based on their songs. No coding experience required.
That's a great example.
But what about businesses? How can they, like, navigate this AI-driven landscape without breaking the bank or, disrupting their entire operations.
For businesses, it's about taking a strategic approach.
Okay.
Start by identifying areas where AI can add value.
Okay.
Automating tasks, improving efficiency, or creating new products and services.
So figuring out where AI fits into the company puzzle.
Exactly.
Without trying to overhaul everything overnight.
Right.
Makes sense. But what about the resources and expertise needed to implement AI solutions?
Sure.
Not every company has, a team of data scientists on hand.
You're right. That's where collaboration comes in.
Okay.
Partnering with AI startups, research institutions, or even consulting firms can provide access to the expertise and resources you need without having to build an in-house AI team from scratch.
Okay, so leveraging external expertise to jumpstart the AI journey.
Exactly.
Smart move.
Yeah.
But beyond specific businesses, what about governments?
Yeah.
What role do they play in preparing for an AI-powered future?
Governments have a critical role to play.
Okay.
In fostering a thriving AI ecosystem.
Okay.
Investing in AI research and development. Supporting AI education initiatives. And creating policies that promote ethical and responsible AI development.
Yeah. So laying the foundation for a future where AI benefits everyone.
Exactly.
Not just a select few.
That's the goal.
That brings up an important point. The ethical considerations of AI.
Right.
How do we ensure that AI is used for good and doesn't perpetuate existing biases or inequalities?
It's a crucial question.
Yeah.
And one that requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration.
Okay.
Between policymakers, researchers, and the public.
Right.
Developing clear guidelines and standards for responsible AI development.
Okay.
Promoting transparency in AI algorithms.
Yeah.
And ensuring that diverse perspectives are represented in the field.
So it's a collective responsibility to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity.
I agree.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
From, the practical steps individuals can take to the broader societal implications of AI.
Absolutely.
As we wrap up this deep dive, I'm feeling both inspired and a little apprehensive, honestly.
That's understandable.
Yeah.
The future of AI is full of both immense promise and potential challenges.
Right.
But by embracing a curious mindset, staying informed, and actively participating in shaping this technological revolution, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future.
Absolutely.
For ourselves and generations to come.
Well said. It's been an incredible journey exploring the AI roadmap with you.
It has.
And to everyone listening, the journey is just beginning.
That's right.
And keep exploring, keep questioning,
Yeah.
and keep imagining the possibilities of this transformative technology.
Absolutely.
And remember, the future of AI is not predetermined. It's something we're creating together.
It is.
So let's build a future where AI empowers us, connects us, and helps us solve some of humanity's, greatest challenges.
I agree.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.